Good morning and happy Wednesday, November 5th. This one's very short, but it's super important. It's called No Limits. The only limits you truly face are the ones you place on yourself. Think about that. There are no limits to what you can do if you tell yourself you can. Okay? So tell yourself you can, and you can do anything you dream. And really, if you place limits, the only person that can stop you is yourself. So replace I can't with I will and see where life takes you. That is just so profound. So the only person that can stop you from achieving your goals is yourself. So speak positivity into yourself. Okay? Life breathing words, not only speaking it to others, but speaking it into yourself and into your heart. I am capable. I am worthy. Okay? I am beautiful. I can do it. Now, leading up to that, since that's so short, I want to read you a passage that I wrote last year. But since we have an opportunity and this is so short, I'm going to read it to you. It's all about words and how important they are, not just to other people, but to ourselves as well. Did you know a person in a single day speaks at least 7,000 words? That's amazing. Only about 500 to 700 of those words have value to communicate to others and ourselves. That is why we need to be careful when we speak. So we need to think before we speak, okay? Our words have incredible power, not only to ourselves, but to others. We need to be cautious in what we say. Our words matter. They have influence. The things we say can either bring value or devalue someone. They can build up or tear down. They can encourage or discourage. So how will you use your words today? The things we say to ourselves and others are very important because they can influence thinking and actions in ourselves and others. Think about that. So before you speak, please take a thought. Okay, please think before you speak. Will what I'm saying hurt someone? Okay, will what I'm saying offend someone? What I'm saying to myself, is that positive? Is that going to help me grow and be the best that I can be? So if I'm saying negative things to myself, I'm going to have to think about what I'm thinking. Did you ever hear that term? Think about what you're thinking. So if I'm not saying nice things to myself and I'm saying I'm not worthy, I can't do it, I'm just ridiculous, those are not going to help me. So I'm going to change that script and I'm going to say, I am worthy. I can do it. I am smart. Okay? We're going to change the script. We're going to start doing that. We're going to start thinking about what we say to not only others, but to ourselves as well. Okay? So go out there in the world, speak life-breathing words. Remember, your words have influence. Never forget that. Maybe that'll help you before you speak. Okay? Have a great day.